Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am exhausted. So we went to Not Scary Farm again last night. Me, my sister, my daughter, and my nephew Tyler. And we were there until 1:30 a.m. I got home and I didn't get to bed until 3. And got up at 8 and took my granddaughter to dance. I'm ready to go back to bed. I had to go get my nails done because they started peeling off. So I got that done this morning after dance. It's been a full couple of days. I'm ready for a very long nap after this video. Anyways, I did vlog, but I did not vlog as much as last time because last time I, did a lot of vlogging and I try to get different mazes. Some might be really super dark. I'm not allowed flash in the mazes. You can't use flash, so keep that in mind. But I wanted to share this with you. This is my I don't know, it's like a balloon, but it's like vinyl, and I got this. I am such a kid. I was so happy to get my little light up balloon. And then you can switch it where the lights flicker, they go off. It's really, really cool. So anyways, I'm going to put this down. Let's turn it off, save my battery. I did get a shirt. Here it is, Not Scary Farm. And I got a shirt for my Halloween giveaway. So this is going to be part of it. Along with some beauty care and other items that I have stashed. So I hope you guys enter. You can dress up and be anything you want. You don't have to literally dress up. You can, do your face, paint your face. So you can only get this at Not Scary Farm. This is going in the giveaway. Before I forget, I have had this for a while. She is on my YouTube channel and Instagram, and she sells jewelry on Facebook, so please check out her Facebook page. She says my social media handle on all social medias is Fierce Glam Moms Bling, if you can tag me. So I will I'll link her down below, but this is her right here on Instagram if you want to hit her up. On Facebook, she does have jewelry. Here is the necklace I am wearing. She did send earrings with the necklace. I cannot wear earrings, whether they are real gold, real silver, whatever. For the life of me, I used to get my ears pierced over and over again, and I tried. I can't wear earrings, so I'm going to save these for somebody that can. My daughter has the same exact problem as me. So this is going to go in the giveaway, and I thank her very much. She sent it in this really cute little pouch. She let me pick it out. I do like necklaces, and this is very, very pretty. All of her jewelry is $5, which is very, very affordable, and I think it's so worth checking out. I have so many different things to go over. I am testing out the new Kaja makeup. I have 3 of the eyeshadow, and look, they're like little... It reminds me of Melt Cosmetics. There's a little mirror. But these are connected, like literally, like they're not magnetic. But anyways, they are quite affordable. They are at Sephora right now. I believe these retail for $21, and you get 3 shades. I am wearing all of this one on my lid, and I'm wearing some of this one on my brow. On my brow bone, and under my eye, and then a pop of this in the corner of my eye because I want to test them out. Let me know if you'd like to see a full video. I did get 2 of the cheeky stamps by them, And this opens up like that. Isn't that adorable? So then you take this part, it's a stamp, and you stamp the heart, and then you stamp it on your cheek, and then you rub it out for blush. But for the moment, you have a really cute little heart on your cheek, which is really cool. I think these were 24, I believe. I could be off a little. Anyways, I got 2 of them. I got the color Saucy, which I am wearing. And then I got the color Bossy. Explains me. And then I got a lipstick, which I completely forgot I had. And I'm wearing KKW, which I totally, we're going to switch that. I'm so tired I forgot I had it. I'm going to put it on together. Okay. Let's fix this. So one end is a lip liner. And then the other end is the lipstick. And they have different ones. They have liquid. They have a mood-changing lip balm. These are $16. They are new at Sephora. An indie brand. This is going to match my eye look way better. Way, way better. Ah, beautiful, creamy. My lips have been so dry. I've been using the Sarah Hap and it works so good. Oh my gosh, so moisturizing. All right, so last night, and I'm gonna just state in advance that I am not responsible for anything you hear or see in the video. I am in the maze with a lot of people and things get said and done. There's nothing major, but I'm just stating in advance. Anyways, I don't believe there's anything horrible, but there are some phenomenal mazes in here. But my sister and I were standing by the swings, you know, the swings that go around. And we were waiting for my daughter in the bathroom and my nephew. And all of a sudden, like, there was a big crowd and a bunch of security, and everybody was yelling JoJo. And I looked to the left of me, and there was a girl standing there. I'll show you a picture. Right there. She was literally like 2 feet from me. And people were going wild. I'm like, what is going on? They literally kicked everybody off the swing set. Well, it was finished, right? Finished. And they put her, and it looked like maybe a brother or something, and a friend with her. JoJo Siwa is an American singer, dancer, and YouTube personality who's famous for donning big bows in her hair and for her hit singles Boomerang and Hold the Drama. She also appeared as a reality TV star on a Lifetime's Dance Moms and Abby's Ultimate Dance Competition. She's quickly become a social media celebrity thanks to her YouTube channel. She vlogs. She boasts over 2.6 million subscribers, which there's more than that because I checked out her channel. She's known for wearing bright, big bows and colorful ponytails. She's a dancer, actor, singer. which she does skillfully in her music videos. She's got this song, Boomerang, Kid Mechanic Store, Hold the Drama. And she's also contracted with Nickelodeon. Anyways, this is her. She was wearing pink just like that, but no jacket, and she had a bunch of glitter and a big bow. It was just quite interesting. You'll hear me on the count. I'm like, who the heck is this? Me and my sister were just like, alrighty then. They were going wild. Security brought her churros, and they let her go on the swings. You will see that, and she does just a little dance move as she walks in there. So it was just quite interesting. So anyways, jump on the Halloween challenge wagon. I will get to mine next week. Give me some ideas down below in the comment section. I have been Maleficent. I love Maleficent, but I would like to try something other than that. So just give me some ideas down below in the comment section. Also, let me know if you want to see a video on the Kaja cosmetics. I can do a tutorial. You let me know what you want to see, and enjoy my vlog. I will see you soon. Bye. By the way, I did get the Anastasia Sultry palette. Let me know. I know you guys are probably going to want to see that in a review. Do you want to see this first or the Kaja makeup I have? Let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see me do a tutorial and review on first. Bye.
I'm scared. It's the foggy section. Oh shit. Can't see that through here. There they are. The rides are going. Woohoo! You get scared? What are you guys doing? It's Tyler's favorite ride. Look how many times it goes upside down. Yeah, I know. I won't run that. Oh, yeah. Like the Harry Potter ride fucked me up. The Harry Potter ride messed me up. Yeah, it is. We're reaching it. We're almost there. Nice. Some scary creatures. As we enter. Wait. Come on, Tyler, what's up? It's so dark. I need light. Sorry, it's really dark in there. Rush! It got me.
How was this boss?
heavy breathers in here.
I know, but you guys know, let me know when I post this vlog. Who's JoJo? She's eating a churro. Wow. Literally gets along by herself. Someone knocks the foot out of my hand, they're in big trouble. She gets stuck. Whoa, he needs a mint.
That's a
Jesus, he needs a search. His breath. Holy crap. Oh shit.
scary rabbit.
Whoa, this is a really good one. Oh, it is. It moves.
Wow.
Nice portrait. Wait, Kathy, don't move too far ahead. I want him to get you.